my friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you all of the information for the Scrappy Foxes Facebook group fall sale for the month of September. That is a mouthful to get it all out. So this month, what is coming out is Flower Shop. So this is a kit that was part of the monthly mystery for, it's been over 6 months now, so that is why it is out. It is part of the sale, but just so you know, everything in the store is 30% off with the code. And how do you get the code? You be a member of the Facebook group. So I will leave it linked down below so that you can easily find your way over there, jump onto the Facebook group, get your code. It will be available starting on the 23rd, which is this Friday through Sunday, where you can get 30% off everything in the shop, including this kit. But at the end of the weekend, this kit will go back out of stock. So it only comes in, I pick one kit every month, as long as it's been 6 months since it was in the monthly mystery, and I bring it out reformatted and just for the vault sale. So I'm going to go over this kit really quick. This is Flower Shop. Comes in 2 versions. So you have the mini kit and you have the deluxe, and then the TPC Nation add-on. So I will just go over, let's do the mini kit first. As you can see the differences between mini kit and the deluxe kit. So the mini kit is 4 pages. So you've got your 8 full boxes, and this is like all one continuous scene that you can put all the way across. Same thing with at the bottom, or you can break them up however you want to do them. But it has some of the fantastic characters. These are some of my favorites: Mickey, Minnie, Chip and Dale, and Pluto, and they are just all hanging out at the Flower Shop. This was a fantastic spring kit, and it will be again. I mean, if you pick it up now, it's going to be perfect for springtime. And so you have 8 full boxes in your first page. Your second page, you have all of your washi and your date covers, and these are boxes over here that are cut out. This is normally in the deluxe kit where your 9th box is, which you'll see in a minute. This page has your date, your numbers, and some full boxes, paint swatches, all the little goodies. And then your last one is kind of like your functional page. So a mini kit is just 4 pages. You've got doodle boxes, a little movie marquee, your works, importance, to-dos, today's, all that kind of stuff, a weekly spending, bill dues, all that. And these are dividers. So this is a mini kit, just 4 pages. I'll set that one off to the side. And then the deluxe kit, oh, and no matter what kit you get, you can always add on the TPC Nation sidebar. So if you've seen TPC Nation planner, this is the sidebar with the rounded boxes on the bottom. If you don't have a TPC Nation planner, don't worry about it. That's why it's an add-on and it's not included, because not everybody has that planner. But these are your boxes for that, and it is an add-on option in both sizes, so you can do that. Then we've got our deluxe kit, which has your, again, same exact 8 full boxes here. Your 9th box is this one here. Same thing with all your date covers and your washi. Then this page has some more large boxes with the artwork in the background, your date dots. Your functional page, same as in the mini kit. Then you've got a lot of the quarter boxes, labels, and check boxes. These ones are like all of your big boxes. So these are your patterns and your solids. Then kind of like all your trackers, some paint swatches, and your little doodly boxes. And then this one is, these are all dividers, and then you've got some more boxes. So it's a lot, you got a lot of boxes. Lots of boxes. I always get a lot of boxes in Scrappy Fox Shop. Anyway, so we've got all of this, and a couple of the other things that I wanted to show you for the vault sale, or Facebook group sale, however you want to say it, is that there's a few new things that are going to be in there just in time for the sale. So one of the things that we did was we went through and we took all of the icons. These are the Fluff and Cocoa icons. Normally they're bigger. We made a mini size of them. So if you're a person who likes to do like Hobonichi, or you do a daily planner and you don't want a large icon to show that, and it's not just Facebook, because it's just an example that I have here, but I took all of the ones that are the most popular in the shop, which is stuff like vitamins and medication ones and the nap ones and all of those, the food ones, the burger and fries, all that kind of stuff. And I made a mini version of it for anybody who wants smaller icons to use in smaller spaces. So just so you know, those are in the drop-down menu. If you don't see a drop-down menu, that means that it wasn't made into a mini. If you see a drop-down menu, then it's a mini. So anyway, this is just an example of the Facebook group one. So there's that. And then we created these because I needed them. And I thought, if I need them, maybe other people need them too. So right now, all I have is winter and autumn. Those are the colorways that I have available right now, but I will be making spring, summer, and a few others. But these are for subscription tracking, and it doesn't necessarily mean it just for planner subscriptions, although it works great for that. It's for any subscription. Like we get BarkBox every month for the dogs, and it's nice to know when they're going to take that monthly out and when it's been shipped, if I received it or not. I also have some Amazon subscriptions that I get for my B12, my vitamins, stuff like that, where they automatically send, and those ones are every other month, so it's really hard to sometimes keep track of subscriptions when they're coming and going, and some are monthly and some are bi-monthly and stuff like that. I also have, what else? Oh, Scentsy. I have a lot of subscriptions, but I really wanted something that I could throw in a sidebar for a week when I know that a subscription should be coming up, or in the monthly, like you could stick this on your monthly view in the different boxes where you know your subscription should be renewing, and that way you can just kind of keep track of what it is and when it's coming. So I have these two in autumn and winter. Those are available. Then last but not least, I know you guys know that my daughter's been doing all the artwork, a lot of the artwork. So she wanted, I have it off to the side, you can kind of see, she wanted to see her artwork on something other than just stickers, even though she loves the stickers. She's a planner herself. She uses them in her planner. She just loves to see her artwork on everything. So I thought it would be kind of fun to do some t-shirts. So we did. So we've got some t-shirts here, and I've got two different versions of this one. So let me explain it really quick. So I know, let me just back out just a little bit so you can sort of see what's going on here. I know this not the best platform here for trying to show you. So let me just bring it up a little bit. So this one is one of the small t-shirts, and it's got her artwork on it, which is, this little guy's name is Hocus Pocus. This is from the Frosty kit that she just did. This is one of the lines from the movie where the Professor Hinkle is chasing him, and he's saying, "Give me that hat." Well, Hocus Pocus is running off, and this is when Frosty comes to life. So this was one of the parts that she drew all of this, and we were trying to figure out how to put it on the t-shirt to where it would work out, because this is a direct to vinyl. So the vinyl, you can hear it. It's actually soft and stretchy. See, you can even stretch it and nothing happens to it. It's a really kind of cool material, and we put it on 100% cotton t-shirts. These are the Bella t-shirts, super, super soft. So here, I'll show you. These are the Bella canvas, and so they're 100% cotton. They're very, very soft. This is soft. It sounds funny, but it's actually really soft to touch. It's not like that usual scratchy stuff. I don't know a whole lot about, this is the first time I've ever made t-shirts in my life. So I don't know a whole lot about it, but I'm actually wearing one right now that is going to go through the ringer with me. But these are available in the shop, and it's kind of just to see if people like them or not, if they like the designs. But we decided to do like a paint blob kind of thing in the background with her artwork, because she drew all of the backgrounds for the kits. And so we thought we'd put the artwork into the background with like a paint blob here, and then put this whole thing on the inside. And then you have two choices. So it's either a center piece, which this is the center piece, or let me get this one out of the way, or this one. I'll give you a show of this one. It's like a pocket. So focus. You can do it. There you go. Sorry. Sorry about that. My camera is like, what in the heck is going on? Or a pocket one. So here's a pocket view of just on this side. So this is another small t-shirt. I have them listed in the shop right now. So I don't have a ton of these, but I also wanted to show you that I have white. So we did white, which I think it looks super, super cool on the white. This colors just pop right off of the white. But we did white and black, and then small, medium, large, and extra large. There's not a ton of them. It's a very, very limited release of these, because we just want to see if people liked them, how they like them, if it's something that they would want us to carry. They would only ever be with her artwork. She has several new kits. She has some kits already out, and then she has several that are in the works right now, one of which will be coming out next month. So if this is something that people like, and if, they sell good, then we will continue to make them. If not, then we'll find something else to put her artwork on, because, it's just fun to put her artwork on a bunch of different things. So that is pretty much everything that I have. So we've got the t-shirts, we've got this month's kit, which is Flower Shop, And we've got the new subscription trackers, and we've got the new sizes for the icons. So that is pretty much everything. Like I said, I will leave links below to the Facebook group so that you can go ahead and join the Facebook group. I promise we don't do anything spammy or weird on there. It's mostly just Plan With Me's, showing new product, sneak peeks that are early for things, for products that are coming up. There's live Plan With Me's. There's show your spread, and it doesn't have to be Scrappy Fox. The PR girls do a great job over on the Facebook group, and that's pretty much it. I mean, it's pretty chill, pretty laid back, but the cool part about it is you get your own special code every month to go shopping. So this month it will be 30%, which is pretty much is every time, and the code will be listed on Friday. So anyway, that's everything. I'm gonna thank you guys so much for stopping by, hanging out with me, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.